So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the performance issues on the latest iOS 26 versions. If you might have been updated your phone, you'll definitely facing some overheating and performance degrading issues on your latest iOS versions. Now, because Apple haven't released any stable version or any fixes to that, you can temporarily turn off the liquid glass effect in order to get more performance from your devices, because rendering the liquid glass definitely consumes a lot of performance from your device. Now, in order to temporarily turn it off, just simply go to the settings. In the settings, scroll down until you see this option of accessibility. Here, when you go over there, go to this option of display and text size, and here turn this option of reduce transparency on. And once you do that, all the liquid glass effect will be gone, and definitely it will increase the performance of your device. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.